Today we are having our National Trails Day event here on Green Mountain, and we're doing a reroute, trying to make the trail a little more sustainable.
Kind of finish it, we're going to continue to pull all of our dirt up, expose our good plants on the side here.
We get a ton of visitors here on Green Mountain, so it's really important for us to get volunteers who are out here to care about the trail and then kind of to communicate what our vision is for these trails.
Jeffco and City of Lakewood really make it easy to sign up and get out here. It's super rewarding to get to give back to these parks that I use so frequently.
It's great to see people like the City of Lakewood doing all this organization. To me, you guys do all the hard work, and all I have to do is show up and have a good time.
Yeah, we're just very excited to get so many people to come out and help us support this trail system here at William F. Hayden Park, which is a beautiful open space for the city. If anybody wants to come out and help us do trail work, they can find us at lakewoodco.gov/volunteers, and they can find a link to sign up and work with our trail crew there.